First of all, Mary and I would like to thank this group, all music groups, all of our friends for helping us to experience and enjoy the true Hawaiian culture and aloha spirit. And if it wasn't for everybody here, our visit each year would be less enjoyable. So we really appreciate it. Mahalo nui loa. Every year when we leave, I always play the same piece, Bye Bye Blues. Everybody's getting tired of hearing that. So I composed just a little blues song. Very simple. It's just 3 chords, A, what's this one? I play by ear, so B7. B7, B7 is E7. A,
it's a straight D. D, A7, and G, and E7.
I composed a song, I don't even know the
D,
chords.
A7, and E7.
All right, I'm going to put the microphone down, and then we'll just practice a little bit. And I'm going to turn the one verse over to
That
Goldie.
way we can get the hang of it. I'm going to go watch
All right, hold on.
That's A. All the way across? Or just D?
Here's what I'm going to do.